Another one. Run around. Hello and welcome to Hoosierback Outdoors. I'm just now starting an intro. I went to the ponds this morning and nothing. I mean nothing. Wasted half a battery life on my GoPro and just didn't catch anything. Now, granted, I got out there a little bit late. They were probably biting closer to daylight, like earlier than I was there, but man, I just don't know. There wasn't much going on this morning there. After I left there, I figured out what better time than to stop by this little hole underneath this bridge in this creek, and we'll see if we can catch something out of there. I know there's bass in there. I know there's sunfish in there, and we're gonna try to catch something out of there. I will throw the chesty on, the GoPro, and we'll get down there and see if we can catch something. Also, I have a surprise for you at the end of this video, so watch all the way to the end. Okay, I only have these 2 poles. That's all I'm bringing down here. Let's see if we can catch something real quick. Usually, I can get some bites out of here. Let's try to climb down here without falling. Usually the water's really clear so they can see you. I'm gonna try to stay back just a little to begin with. Oh, they're chasing. I can already see the fish chasing. I'll stay back here so I don't break the horizon with my silhouette. See if I can get a little further over this way without spooking anything out of here. Okay. Stay back this way a little bit. Make a couple casts. It got wrapped up. Dang it. I'm using this Strike Pro Swing Pop, I think is what it's called. Let's grab the wacky rig. I'm gonna take my phone out of my pocket before I break it. I think I'm just gonna sit right here. Toss this out there. You can see, maybe I need to turn the camera up just a hair. There's one. Oh, missed it. Missed it. See if there's one over there. Got him. There's a bass. I knew there was bass in here. Nice. There we go. On the wacky rig. Let's see. Is that a spotted bass? Nope, that's a largemouth. Largemouth bass out of the creek. That's pretty cool. Nice little largie. Healthy looking. That's cool right there. Let's see if there's a bigger one in there. Man, he was on there for a while. He probably swallowed that hook. Nope. Wow, nice one. Heck yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish. You had that in your mouth for a while, didn't you? I didn't even know you was there. Running right toward me with it. There we go. That'll work. That's a nice creek bass. Yeah. Man, that's fun. Something about this running water too. They really fight hard. I'll take that. Pretty good looking fish. There you go, buddy. He'll have a sore lip for a little while. My worm's about tore up now. Let's try to catch another one. There's another one. Run around. Another one. Get up here, bud. Man, they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. There we go. Hey, that's all right. Boy, this happened quick. They're right over there, right on the edge of them two grass lines. They're right in the middle. Nice little largemouth. That's a creek fish for sure. Pretty cool. All right, time for you to go back, buddy. Well, one thing I've learned about fishing, you don't always catch fish. Oh, I'm telling you what, sometimes you just struggle. And 2 out of the last 3 times that I've went fishing, it's been that way. Down at the creek the other day, I know you've seen that video I was filming, and my camera just kept beeping, and I would look down and it would be stopped and frozen. I would have to take it apart. Right in the middle of creek fishing, and I'm telling you what, it was so annoying. But we got it took care of, and come to find out it was a bad SD card. So sometimes you'll have that happen, and there's a mosquito flying around my microphone, which is probably really loud. Anyway, I figure in celebration of these bad fishing trips, where I'm just not catching anything at all, we would do a giveaway. And I'm sure that's why you're here, probably because of the title of this video. We're going to keep doing giveaways. Giveaways are really popular. People like them. And I just sent off the last giveaway to somebody in Keller, Texas, that just won the whole big bag of fishing lures and fishing line and stuff like that. And just sent that off, and I seen this deal. I went in our local Rural King here, and I seen this deal. They had a big bargain bin of these, and so I bought one, and I'm going to be giving it away to one of you guys. It is the Quantum Throttle 20 spin cast reel. This 11 ball bearing system, and it is really smooth in its operation. I mean, fantastic. In fact, I like it so well, I'm gonna go back and get me one. Anyway, it's the Quantum 20 throttle. Really nice reel, and I will be giving it away to one of you guys. Now, here's the stipulations. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to give us a big thumbs up on this video, and you have to leave a comment in the comment section below, and you have to say, I want it. I want it. Put that in the comments underneath this video, and we'll make sure that you get entered into the giveaway. Anyway, here it is. Quantum Throttle 20 spin cast reel. Looks really good. I'm gonna go get me one for myself, and we'll be giving this away to one of you guys. So don't forget, be subscribed, share it if you would like to, give us a big thumbs up on this video, and leave in the comments, I want it. We'll also be sharing this on TikTok so people will see it, because it seems like TikTok has driven a whole bunch of subscribers lately, which I'm very, very thankful for. Thankful for all you guys that watch, through the good times, through the bad. I hope to inspire some of you out there to get outside and find your own adventure outside. Especially here during the summertime, there's plenty of places, and I'm sure if you look around you, there's plenty of places that you can go and have a good time outside. One more time, you must be subscribed. Give us a big thumbs up on this, share it if you would like to, and in the comments, leave the phrase, "I want it," and you'll be entered in this contest, and we'll try to get this drawing done within the next week.